By the firewall. Sometimes the sticking point on a new supercar. That's the sort of thing they think about last. But have a look at the inside of this.
Lando Norris at the wheel of the McLaren P1, one of the British success stories. They
an engine that did for a short while hold the lap
success stories. They've now hit over 20 the production line. I was talking to some big weeks in the world of motorsport a couple of years ago.
production cars. Dorchester.
As well, because it's not just the machinery, it's often the people behind the wheel.
Absolutely, yeah. I mean, you'll recognise the crash much more than I will. I think that, yeah.
Cars like the Sport Series here, the Super Series cars like the 720S are now coming up the hill as well with the Senna.